Alright, YouTube, everybody's been asking for an update. Here's an update. Sorry I wasn't doing much on the build progress. I had a lot going on in life and whatnot. But anyway, gotta put things behind you. But here's the car. It is fully assembled, put together. I've been driving it a good bit. It's driving pretty good. It's about to go to paint. He's gonna finish doing all the body work and the aero stuff. But yeah, it's coming along pretty nicely. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Happy with how it drives. Drives like a SC300 or a Supra. Pretty uneventful, but yeah. So that's the car, and I guess I'll do some roller shots and videos. But yeah, been a long road. So there's the car, completely finished.